Environment Canada has updated a blizzard warning of 2:24 p.m. Central Standard Time Monday, January 31st, 2022. A blizzard warning is continued for City of Saskatoon, RM of Great Bend including Radisson and Borden, RM of Laird including Waldheim, Hepburn and Laird, RM of Rosthern including Rosthern, Hague and Carleton, RM of Eagle Creek including Larley and Sunningdale, RM of Corman Park including Martensville, Warman and Langham, RM of Purdue including Purdue and Kinley, RM of Vanscoy including Delisle, Asquith and Vanscoy, RM of Aberdeen including Aberdeen, RM of Grant including Vaughan de Prudhomme and Smuts, RM of Blucher including Allen, Clavat, Bradwell and Elstow, RM of Montrose including Donovan and Swanson and RM of Dundurn including Dundurn and Blackstrap Ross Park. Blizzard conditions with poor visibility in snow and blowing snow are expected or occurring. Prepare for quickly changing and deteriorating travel conditions.
Environnement Canada a mis à jour un avertissement de blizzard à 14h24 HNC le lundi 31 janvier 2022. Un avertissement de blizzard est continué pour Ville de Saskatoon, MR de Great Bend incluant Radisson et Borden, MR de Laird incluant Waldheim, Hepburn et Laird, MR de Rosthern incluant Rosthern et Carleton, MR d'Eagle Creek incluant Veroli et Sunningdale, MR de Cormont Park incluant Martensville, Warman et Lingham, MR de Perdue incluant Perdue et Kinley, MR de Vanscoy incluant Delisle, Asquith et Vanscoy, MR d'Aberdeen incluant Aberdeen, MR de Grant incluant Vaughan de Prudhomme et Smuts, MR de Blucher incluant Allen, Clavet, Bradwell et Elstow, MR de Montrose incluant Donovan et Swanson et MR de Dundurn incluant Dundurn et Blackstrap Prof. Park, il y a ou il y aura du blizzard avec une visibilité mauvaise sous la neige et dans la poudrerie. Soyez prêts à composer avec des conditions routières changeantes qui se détériorent rapidement.
Forecast for City of